Look at this giant Hulk, riding a rusty old bicycle through the city street.
Hey, get out of the way! Your broken cycle will lower the pride of our bikes.
The Steel Champion, and win $1 million?
Whoever defeats Victor Steele takes home $1 million!
I accept the challenge.
Laugh all you want. One day, I'll rule this city on a superbike.
This moment, I'll come back and buy it myself.
Give me power. Like, subscribe, and believe. The winner, Hulk.
Now hand me the key.
Now tell me, who owns the pride of this city?